I live in Rotterdam, so I cycle past the building every day, and I'm every day actually amazed that it's there. Hi, my name is Fokke Morel. I'm an architect and interior designer actually, and I am partner here at MVRDV.
We became involved in the project when the architects specified a very difficult 3D shaped curved facade. And our first idea was this is really difficult, and it was never done. I am Ron Jacobs. I work for Klöckner Metals. We are distributor for Jansen Systems for the Netherlands and for Belgium. So there were very difficult criteria, and we did a lot of testing before, and there was a lot of engineering involved. The shape of the facade, it was curved in two ways. So this meant that static calculations needed to be really upgraded for curved facades, extra wind loads. The glass load was also very heavy. It was very thick.
So in the case of the curvature of the depot, for instance, we need to use also steel elements that made it possible. And extrusion profiles of aluminum wouldn't fit. I'm Winnie Maas. I'm architect, landscape architect and urban planner. I'm the M of MVRDV, one of the founders of architectural and urbanistic company, which has its main office in Rotterdam, but further in places like Berlin, Paris, Shanghai and New York.
When we think of Jansen VISS as a system, not only in this particular project, but in general, it's really special to bear in mind that this system is half a century old and really is still playing in future architecture. In terms of ecological aspects, this system is really a front runner in the facade industry.
Well, of course, the whole engineering the facade was quite a challenging one in all its aspects, because indeed, as I said, it needs to be a fridge, it needs to be a safe, so everything was really at the highest level.
It's in the middle of a park and in the middle of a series of institutions. It's intended also not to make a building that looks like something. It has a shape which doesn't exist as such. It is also in a park, therefore, that you can walk around and that it has no corners. You cannot go around the corner, so the park continues. Why mirrors? Because then it mirrors you, it mirrors the visitor, and it mirrors the city of Rotterdam in the end.
We worked very close together with Jansen on the part of the structural engineering, because the weight of the glass, the spans were 6 meters. We needed really to collaborate with Jansen also for the installation part of the facade to the concrete. So we have really established great work.
First we won the competition, then you go through this whole process. You propose this and you're like, I really hope this is going to happen. And indeed, so every morning I can say, yeah, it happened. So yeah, I'm very proud of that.